In this video, we're going to cover the basics on how to start setting up your trial storefront. First of all, let's look at how you edit the logo, as getting your brand visible on the site is the first step to making it feel like your own. To do this, we'll need to head to the website Assets tab in the admin. Assets are essentially all of the graphical elements that are required for the design of your site, and when you first arrive here, it will likely be empty. Here we see that we already have our logo file, as it was prepared before, but let me show you the easiest way to get started if this is all blank, as you'll need to know the asset file names to be able to edit them. Simply head back to the front end of your storefront and right mouse button click on the asset you want to replace. Save the image as, and then go back to upload it to your assets. Once that's done, you can simply click on the asset and then update that asset with the one you want to replace it with. In this case, we're going to use a gorilla logo that we have ready for training. Once that's uploaded, we should be able to see the effect on the front end immediately. The same process can be used for any of the assets on your site. Now let's look at editing some of the other content on your storefront, which can all be done via the Snippets tab in your admin. Snippets are essentially shortcuts to specific parts of the HTML code that is combined to define the design of a website. We use these snippets so that you don't have to go digging through any code and have easy access to change exactly what you want. After editing the telephone and email snippets, let's confirm that they have been updated correctly on the front-end site. There are plenty of snippets that can edit a wide range of elements and pages on your storefront. Some of them can be very simply changing one color, and others can be much more complex to edit the core HTML code. We're going to have a look at the HTML head one, as from there, we can change the name of our site, but this is also a very valuable one as keywords and scripts are often published in the header for SEO purposes. Feel free to explore the other snippets, bearing in mind that these are all optional and that some can be quite complex to allow extra flexibility on your storefront.